So do you want to make money with a small YouTube channel? It's probably the question that I hear the most. Did you know that you don't need a large YouTube channel to make a full-time income? In today's video, we're going to go over 7 ways to monetize a small YouTube channel, and make sure that you watch all the way till the end because I have a very special bonus tip for you. And welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. My name is Jonathan Dunkerley, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build an income online. So most people that start a YouTube channel want to make money with it. There's no problem with that. We all need to make a living, right? But did you know that there's a whole bunch of ways that you could be making money with your YouTube channel? Now, the first and usually the one that everybody thinks of is the YouTube Partner Program. Now, I wanted to get this one out of the way. Everyone thinks of this one first. After you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you could apply to join the program. You'll get a share of the ad revenue from the ads that play in front of your videos. Now, there are 2 big issues with this method. First is that you need 1,000 subscribers. Sometimes it takes people a while to get to 1,000 subscribers, and some never do. And second, you need a lot of views to make money with this method. So this method works better if you have a high attention channel. So if your videos get a lot of views. Like I said, not the easiest way to make money when you're getting started. And let me know in the comments if you're in the YouTube Partner Program. The second monetization method is sponsorships. I know what you're saying. I have a new channel. I can't get a sponsor. I have to tell you that having a sponsor does not really depend on how many subscribers you have. For example, my friend Angie runs a small homesteading channel. At the time of this video, she has just over 500 subscribers, and she makes money through brand deals. Like the partner program, sponsorships do take a little effort before they start making you money, but you don't need a very large following. Just start making content on a very niche down topic. Maybe even make videos that you think a sponsor may want to see. For the third method, and you can do this with any channel size, this is how I started making money with my YouTube channel when I first got started, and that's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to start making money with a small YouTube channel because the subscriber count simply doesn't matter. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is basically talking about a product you like or some that you don't like, and if somebody buys the product through your link, you get a commission. There are so many ways that you can do this in any niche. Product reviews versus videos, list videos, like those top 5, top 7 videos, tutorials, product placement. And these can either be physical or digital products. You never know when one of your videos promoting a product will take off. Just one of my videos paid for my entire YouTube setup, and I recorded that video with my cell phone. Personally, I only recommend products that I use and I actually recommend. It's about helping people make the right purchasing decision. Just remember to put your link in the description and let them know it's there. With affiliate marketing, you're selling somebody else's product. But for the 4th way to make money with a small YouTube channel, we're going to talk about selling your own physical product. Now, this can be done by selling a product that is closely related to your niche, or you could sell your own merch. You may have your own methods to get your products made, but if it is a merch type product, you can get it fulfilled through Amazon at merch.amazon.com. You simply create the artwork or hire a freelancer on a site like Fiverr, and Amazon creates a storefront on their site with your products with no upfront cost to you. Like with affiliate marketing, you'll want to tell people in your videos that the link to your merch is in the description. Always let people know where to find those links. So we just talked about affiliate marketing and selling your own physical product, but for the 5th method, let's talk about selling your own digital product. One of the best things about selling your own digital product is there is almost no overhead. You create the product once. You may have to pay like a small hosting fee, but that's it. These tend to work better on informational channels that you are helping your audience figure out a problem. You can sell things like courses, helpful Chrome extensions, or any other simple software. The key is to figure out a simple problem that needs to be solved and be the one that solves that problem. And like with the other methods, let your audience know where they could find the link. I like to put the link in my description and my pinned comment. Hint, hint. For the next 2 methods, they are a little slower growing, but worth it. Method 6 is to create some kind of membership. YouTube has a built-in membership feature, but you can't use it with a brand new channel. Another popular membership site that doesn't have subscriber minimums is called Patreon. Both of these options take a percentage of whatever your members pay per month. These are by no means the only options for memberships. My membership, eToolbox.club, uses a service called Searchy. I prefer Searchy because it's a full-fledged search engine that allows my audience to easily find whatever topic in my membership they want to learn about. I'm sure you're asking, what can I put in these memberships? The simple answer is it could be anything that serves your audience. For example, eToolbox.club currently has tutorials, replays of my clubhouse rooms, and early access to my podcast recordings. You can even go simpler than that. Searchy is definitely my top pick for a membership site. If you want to test out a Searchy trial, I'll put a link to it in the description. You see what I just did there? Links in the description. For our seventh way to make money with a small YouTube channel, it's to build a community. See, YouTube traffic isn't always guaranteed. You might have a video take off and then it could fizzle out. Instead of sending people to an affiliate link, you could send them to your own community. Once people are in your community, you don't have to worry about the YouTube algorithm deciding when they see your content. It could either be a paid or free community. You could host it anywhere on a Discord server, a Facebook group, a circle community, a private WhatsApp, a private Telegram, the list goes on. Don't limit yourself to the ones that I've listed. Do what's best for you and your community. Once people are in your group, you could start to learn about the best ways that you can serve them and charge them for those services inside your group. This could be different for different niches. Niches? I host my community in Discord. You can find a link to that in the description. Are you ready for a bonus tip? So I've heard so many people say that they don't feel comfortable selling on YouTube. I totally get it. Everyone has their own level of comfort. A very simple way around this is with email marketing, and it's actually the most powerful way to monetize a small YouTube channel. Email marketing on YouTube is actually very simple. Create a lead magnet, a quick resource that will give your viewers a quick win and give it to your audience for free in exchange for their name and email address. Then you could email them directly with relevant tips and offers. You never have to sell on your YouTube channel. Just do it on your email list. I personally use ConvertKit, and you can grab a link to it in the description as well. Any of these methods will work, but the hardest part is starting. What method are you going to use to make money with your small YouTube channel? Let us know in the comments. If you want to learn more about growing on YouTube, check out this video next. And if you got value out of this video, be sure that you like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.